welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today I want to clear out some space. Oh, whoops. Am I not meant to do? Sorry about that, guys. First blowout, number 54. Still got that mark. I burnt it now. Second blowout, number 53. Third blowout, number 81. Fourth blowout, number 66. Fifth blowout, number 78. Sixth and final number is number 15. And the lightning ball is 84. Those numbers again in ascending order are 15, 53, 54, or 66, 78, and 81. And the lightning ball is 84. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for the rest of the lottery draws. Bye.